So just to set the tone for the entire house tour, this has a view, and the architecture makes the most out of that view. Now that being said, almost every room has a view of this. So that means there's multiple levels. So technically, you would call this a 3-bedroom home, but because of all the split levels, there's definitely multiple levels. Hopefully you don't get confused. Do let me know in the comments if you do. But please bear with me. It's a very busog na tour. Looking at the facade of this house, you see multiple levels and lines, right? Well, you can expect to see more of that throughout the rest of the house kasi ito nga harap pa lang ganyan eh. And what I love about this type of home in a mountainside area is the fact that it looks small at first. Like it has a very compact impression when you drive up to the driveway, pero laki niya pala. Spoiler alert. Okay, so you have a generous carport over here that can fit 4 vehicles comfortably. You also have a view of the landscape already dito pa lang. You have stairs on the leftmost side as well as the rightmost side of the home. But of course, we're going to go through the main entrance. As you might have noticed, walang wall. Kasi nasa exclusive subdivision naman tayo. Okay, so you have a solid wooden door with vertical slats, a glass panel on the left side, and a digital door lock for your doorknob. And when you enter, this is just the receiving area. You're also going to hear echoes, or an echo, kasi walang laman. This is bare. You have tiled flooring for this area, again, receiving area. So seating yung bagay dito. And you have your guest accessible powder room behind this door. So you have a sink and a toilet. And a little window here behind the door. And then this is just a storeroom. So talagang receiving area lang siya. And then from here, you can decide if you want to go to the upper ground or the lower ground. Medyo alangan eh, parang mezzanine level to, but this is the starting point. So let's just go with upper and lower ground. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung uunahin, yun lang yung problema. Pero sige na nga, sa baba muna. Okay, so when we go down, you are going to reach the common areas, the entertainment floor, the more public space relatively. So this is your living area. Kita mo yung street nung subdivision mo, and then doon sa kabilang side, which is basically your deck, especially when you open this up. You have a view of, well, I'm just gonna say it, Antipolo. Here in Antipolo. So ang ganda. This is supposedly sunset, pero medyo makulimlim ngayon, so wala masyadong sunset na nakikita, but you can see how vast your view is. And then from the deck, you have access to your dipping pool. So it's kind of squarish. Ang ganda ng tiles na pinili nila. It makes the water look super fresh. Parang sarap-sarap tumalon sa kanya, granted nas Pilipinas tayo. But yeah, you have some seating around so you can just hang out. And again, perfect dipping pool. Especially since itong deck na to, yun nga, it opens up to the living area. Parang tambayan siya. And it doesn't end there either. So you can also go down to or go up from the pool via this set of sliding doors, which is right in front of the main stairs. And may handle na rin siya doon. So kung gusto mo dumiretso sa pool, pwede naman. Pero hindi ka naman dire-diretso kasi meron pa rin naman ganito. You're not gonna accidentally just stumble upon the pool. Then on this side of this floor, we have access to a daily kitchen or service area. And then on this side, you have the formal kitchen as well as your dining area. Notice how there are a lot of windows, it seems like. Kasi actually, most of these are just windows. picture windows. And then here in the middle, you have sliding glass doors. And then sa taas, puro clerestory windows. And that lets in so much natural light. Under normal circumstances, kung regular house lang to, tas ganito nakadilim, madilim sana to. Pero since puro bintana siya, it is still quite bright. And so your dining area has access to a balcony, which again, you can, lets you admire your view over here. You can also put some seating here. It's wide enough to put 2 sets of seating. So kung gusto mong medyo meron kang coffee nook dyan, pwede. But before we leave this floor, I want to draw your attention to the kitchen because it is a beautiful one. You have an L-shaped kitchen. Love the wood that they chose, by the way. Yung buong bahay, obviously very inspired from mid-century, especially with the shapes and textures. So you have lots of open shelving, as well as closed storage. You have a sink in front of a window. You have your provision for your refrigerator over here and your built-ins for your microwave, your oven, and your exhaust. And then the island counter. I love that on one side it's square, on the other side it's rounded. So parang bar tong kabilang side and then storage tong kabila. Love that. You also have a bang for your main light here in the kitchen. Otherwise, there's just 2 pin lights and most likely under the cabinetry. Okay, and that's it for this floor. It's just 3 large areas and then 1 enclosed room for your service area. And then from here, you can go down another floor. And this will lead us to the guest bedroom. But since this is the first bedroom that we're seeing for this tour, we'll call this bedroom number 1. So this room has high ceiling. I'm not gonna say enough space kasi actually malaki space. You have space for a queen-sized bed over here. This is where your headboard will go kasi yung outlets nandito sa side na to. And then you have sliding glass doors that let you out onto the side of the house. And it has a lot of privacy. Pero papasok pa rin yung natural light, so it's nice and bright. You have an entire wall of just built-in storage for your wardrobe. A little bit of space up top for like bigger things, maybe luggage, etc. And then you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your shower area. And this is very generous space, by the way. Maluwag siya. And then, just so we see it, outside the sliding glass doors, you have access to the stairs leading back up to the front of the property. And then down here, you have another set of stairs that go down to the relative backyard. Also, there is a room over here, but we'll check that out through the main stairs. Okay. So across the guest bedroom, we have 2 doors here at the end. This one is a storeroom. Yes, tama. Wait lang. Tama, storeroom. And then this is your laundry room. I love it. May dedicated laundry room sila. So may built-in sink na and then provision for your washing machines, some storage, may backsplash pa nga rin siya. And then, of course, storage here. And then across that, a door that leads to the side of the house. And again, you have stairs leading back down to the staff area. So may kita niyo dito maluag. Tas may clearing dito. So dyan yung staff rooms, plural, as well as their own toilet and baths. And then you have another set of stairs here going back up to the front of the house. Okay. Dami ko na pala nasabi, no? Hindi ko pa nasasabi. If you haven't already, make sure you click like, hit subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Antipolo, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. So let's now go down the, okay, so we went down the lower ground. So this is basement 1. Pupunta na tayo sa basement 2. Okay, so basement 2, it doesn't really feel like a basement, by the way, has a lot of storage right here. And then on the left side of this storage is more storage. And then this is the theater room. O, diba? Basement na hindi naman mukhang basement. But it is a theater room. You have carpeted flooring, you have dark walls. You just know that they intended for you to place a huge TV or a projector, some lush talaga, plush is what I meant, plush leather sofas, and just solid sound system. Of course, you're gonna need to put curtains all over, but it's gonna look really nice. But of course, if you changed your mind to, kung gusto nyo ng gym or something, pwede rin naman, at least maybe ako pa rin. And then here on the right side of the storage wall, this is the maintenance for the swimming pool because it's directly under the swimming pool. And then this is your entertainment room. So yes, you still have a huge space for entertainment or a family room. Ito meron ditong wall na may outlet that would, if you had to put a TV or something, pwede rin naman sa side na yun. Diba? Tapos meron ka pa ring view. And you don't see your neighbor. There's a neighbor in front there, hindi mo siya kita. Hindi ka rin niya kita. But it's going to be a very bright room. Again, you have access to the stairs on the left side. This basically function hall siya. Kung ano gusto mong gawin sa kanya, pwede. But you do have a row of storage on one side of the wall, but that's about it. Okay, so that's been the ground floor, the lower ground, basement 1 and basement 2. Let's now head up to upper ground. All right, so again, this is the receiving area, the ground floor, the main entrance. And then if you go up this short flight of stairs, to the upper ground, okay? And immediately you have a view, kasi puro salamin. And then this door leads to bedroom number 2. Okay, so this one has windows because it's at the top of the house, or it's the top floor of the house. But you still have a lot of privacy. This is the facade. Okay, so hindi mo kita, hindi ka rin nila kita, but you do have clerestory windows up there to let in natural light. You have a sliding glass door over here that pretty much lets you access this Juliet, or this balcony, sorry. And still, again, you have a view. Not much of your neighbor. And then you have a walk-in, what's not a walk? It's a walk-through closet. And then you have your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your shower area. Na again, very spacious. Tapos may mga ledge ka pa for your products. And you have a huge picture window over here. And it's up to you if you want to put a smart film on that. Kasi yan, medyo kita ka na ng neighbors. So, kanya-kanyang preference na yan kung anong gusto nyo ilagay. And the reason why they don't is because some people prefer just to have it be frosted. Yung iba naman gusto smart film, etc. So, kayo na bahala. And here we have bedroom number 3. It is a lot more spacious. You still have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your shower area. The difference is yung shower area, window, nandito rin sa same side ng door. So pareho sila nakaharap dito and have that view. Grabe, I don't think I've ever seen, like the amount of times that we've been here in Antipolo, and every time we see or go into a house that has a balcony and a view of the area. Iba-iba parati yung view. I've never seen this particular view. Ang dami palang towers out in the distance. And then it looks like a painting kasi parang ang daming layers. So it's really nice in person. And ito yung neighbor mo sa harap. Talagang pinoint out ko no? Hindi mo siya kita, pero kita mo yung kanyang solar panels. And, okay, so when I said na kita mo yung view agad from the main stairs kasi puro salamin. And then, the final bedroom of the house, which is bedroom number 4, also known as the primary bedroom. Okay, so before you reach the actual bed area itself, you have a walk-in closet na open. And this is so pretty. I think it's so pretty. So you have storage on either side and then this huge picture window that literally frames that street. I don't know what street that is per se, but it is a nice one. It is, of course, of your subdivision. Then you have your ensuite toilet and bath with your his and hers sinks, your toilet, your corner shower area, and then it has a bathtub that is also right next to a picture window that has a view of the same street. Which also means that street has a view of you. Hindi naman. Tinted naman yung glass. But yeah, very relaxing view, but of course nothing is gonna beat this one. So you can have your California king-sized bed in here. With an end table or end tables and the desk, kasha pa siya. Then you have space over here for entertainment if you wanted to. May outlet naman. Then a nice corner window that again just frames all of this view. Of course, you can go out onto your balcony and just admire everything. You also have enough space to actually put some seating, and this goes all the way around there. Okay, so it is a wrapping corner balcony. And that's about it. That was actually a lot of floors. Diba? From the front, from the entrance, akala mo maliit lang, pero laki niya pala. All right, numbers. But before that, check out these really nice B-rolls. Walking out here kind of does give you that sort of LA glamour vibe. It's like you're living in a celebrity home. Not as big, because those are like mountainside mansions, but this is pretty close, I think. Especially, again, with that view. Okay, so numbers. You have about 463 square meters of lot area, and then 535 square meters of floor area, split between binilang yun, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels. Okay? Kasi nga, I mean, you can probably just call it 5 floors, diba? Pero kasi ginawa ko pang upper ground, lower ground, etc. Just, it's for me, okay? If you find it hard to understand, do let me know in the comments. You have 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, and a 4-vehicle carport. You have a dipping pool here with 2 access points, namely the deck as well as the one right in front of the main stairs. You have your dining and living areas with access to its own balcony or deck, and again, which has this view. And basically, the entire house has a view of this, except for the guest bedroom, yun lang, tsaka yung service area, diba? Pero okay pa rin because those rooms are still quite bright thanks to all of the windows. So some people don't like to have as many windows in their rooms, so those are perfect, kaya siya magandang guest bedroom. And again, you can turn it into anything else. You can turn it into an office or a gym or what have you. Speaking of, you do have a theater room as well as an entertainment room at the lowest floors. And this is inside an exclusive subdivision. And also, yung street nito is actually very, very private. The fact that it doesn't have a gate, kasi maliban na nga na nasa loob ng subdivision, yung area pa kung nasaan siya sa subdivision is very safe and secure. So, if you want to see this house for yourself, or if you want to see more of our listings here in Antipolo, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.